Assalamu alaikum. Salam means peace. Peace is beautiful. I have here a young man who I'm giving a training today. His name is, go ahead, brother.
Hey, my name's Ahmed. I'm getting training from Wadani 21. You know, man, I'm thankful. And also, come see our new location at 759 North Milton, next to Masjid Al-Hassan.
MashaAllah. What you doing, brother?
I'm taking off the plate for the LCD.
LCD plate, okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Do you think? So are you organizing the screws?
Yeah,
as I can see.
Right here is all the ones for the LCD.
That's
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's good. MashaAllah. I'm focusing. How long are you in the business?
Like 4 months, 3 months.
4 months, 3 months right now?
Yeah.
That's good. What makes you come to do a repair? What makes you
I want to do a repair to help people, you know, because when they have phone troubles, instead of going to a place where it's really expensive, just come here and get it done.
That's cool. Yeah. How much you do for LCDs? An iPhone 6 Plus?
Probably like 60, 70.
Okay. That's good. That's great. That's a good deal. Right now you're taking off the home button
connector, and then I'm gonna slowly take this off behind it.
Okay, let me tell the people what you're doing. So that's beautiful. So that's the home button?
That's the home button right there, and now I'm gonna take off the home button connector.
Okay.
The adhesive is on there.
So it's adhesive in there, okay.
And there we go. That's the plate.
That's the plate, mashallah. That's good.
There we go. And then take this off too, right?
So you only taking the plate?
Yeah, you only take the plate off.
Okay, that's it.
Because that was a problem.
Thank you, brother. What else do you do for a living? Are you a student? You go to school?
I go to Central High School in St. Paul.
Central High School in St. Paul?
Yeah, I'm in 11th grade this year.
Okay.
I have 1 more year.
Okay.
And I'm trying to study engineering.
Engineering? Yeah. MashaAllah. That was good. That was good. So this is your Barato time and doing it? Yeah. Okay. MashaAllah.
It's a hobby.
That was good. I mean, you know, we love to, our young Somalis to come and learn themselves and, you know, take the lead, you know. So that was great, brother. Well, that was a good job. And we post the video right now and we're doing the other part. Inshallah, this is Timo Wireless in St. Paul and close to the mosque of Al-Hassan Mosque, you know, and which is he's an expert young man, and come see them, you know, and we encourage as a company the young generation to experience and learn what we do and to go take the lead of you know and for repairing and you know such work job we do in here. Actually, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anybody who understand what my little brother is doing here has to come forward, and if it's willing, let him contact actually Timo Wireless, and if you need a repair and bill pay cases and those kind of things, and also if you willing to achieve your business and dreams and you know your hobbies, you can contact us at Wadani 21 and 612 567 1223. And if you're willing to contact the brother at Timachila store, please call
612-876-6614.
6614, and you will see on the screen as well, inshallah. Well, thank you. Masalam means peace. Peace is beautiful. Assalamu alaikum.